How to do the reverse snow angel with legs lifted, advanced variation. The reverse snow angel, aka prone snow angel, targets your posterior chain, upper back, rear delts, lats, and glutes. Adding lifted legs increases activation in the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, making it a full posterior core exercise. Starting position. 1. Lie face down prone on a mat. 2. Extend your arms straight overhead and your legs straight behind you. 3. Lift your chest, arms, and legs slightly off the floor, just a few inches. Palms face down or in thumbs up position. Legs stay straight, heels together or slightly apart. How to perform. 1. Keep chest and legs lifted the entire time. 2. Slowly sweep your arms out wide to your sides, forming a large arc. 3. Continue the sweep until your arms reach your hips, palms facing in or slightly up. 4. Squeeze your shoulder blades and glutes at the bottom of the movement. 5. Reverse the motion, sweeping arms back overhead in the same wide arc. 6. Maintain steady breathing and avoid jerking movements. Reps 8 to 12. Hold for 1 to 3 seconds at end ranges for extra activation. Tips for proper form. Keep arms and legs elevated but low. Don't overarch the back. Engage glutes and core to support your spine. Slow tempo, 3 to 5 seconds per sweep, is key for control and muscle activation. Keep neck neutral. Don't crank your head up. Please check my next video.